Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to grow your network on LinkedIn. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you want to have more LinkedIn connections? LinkedIn is used by professionals to find potential connections who can be their prospects, potential employees, or business partners, potential clients, employees, or business partners. You can search for connections, and your profile can be discovered by potential clients as well. The more connections you have, the more opportunities to increase sales. Connecting with someone on LinkedIn allows you to grow your network and drive strong engagement with people who can be beneficial to your business. LinkedIn's network system has different tier systems. The assigned levels help you understand the degree of connectivity with another person. The people that you are directly connected to are called first-tier connections. You are linked directly since both of you have completed the invitation process. People who are connected to your first-level connections are referred to as second-tier connections. If you want to connect with these people, you can send them an invitation first before you can connect with them using a private message. Those people who are connected on a wider network are the third-tier connections. These people can be connected to your second-tier connections. First, join LinkedIn groups. You can look for groups on LinkedIn that are relevant to your industry. These groups are forums where professionals with similar industries or interests share their knowledge and generate conversations about specific topics. People who are part of groups share their skills and experiences with the other members since they know that they can appreciate and benefit from these shared posts, and more people can connect with them. When you join groups, you can connect with anyone who is part of that group and discover like-minded people. As you continue joining different groups, you can discover posts from people whom you can ask connections with. When a member shares a post that you like, you can view their profile. Get in touch with them by sending them a direct message or sending a comment on their post. Next, personalize LinkedIn connection requests. When you click on the Connect button, it will bring up a window showing you that you can customize this invitation. You can add a personalized note. Just click on the Add a Note button and craft your greeting. It makes the connection request more personal, and you can easily introduce yourself to the other person. You can even inform the person, such as sending an email, about how you discovered their profile and that you would love to connect with them. If you receive request connections, you have to check if you know them or not. If you don't know them, you can ask how they discovered your profile and why they want to connect with you. By doing this, you can prevent connecting with people who are not relevant to get connections with. Next, invite people. You can look for people to reach out to. Make sure not to ask for random connection requests. Reach out to people you know first to create a direct connection so that you can widen your first-tier connections. These people could be your co-workers, classmates, personal or even professional contacts. They already know you, so they're more likely to accept your invitation. Take note not to invite more than 50 people per day. When the other person accepted your invitation for connection, make sure to respond with a thank you message. Next, promote your LinkedIn URL. If you have social media accounts and you have gained thousands of followers, it is possible to share your LinkedIn profile as a post or include it in your bio. You can attract connections who also have a LinkedIn profile. Next, optimize your profile. You can attract profile visitors based on the keywords that you include in your profile, such as your job title, duties, and responsibilities. As people who are looking for connections use these keywords, they can discover your LinkedIn profile. Next, share posts. Make sure you share content using visually compelling images or even videos. This can help you increase engagement with people in your existing network and attract people who are not yet in your network to connect with you. It can help boost potential connections. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need help to make courses and training, we have a marketing app that can help you create your own online courses that actually get sales. Create amazing courses with Udemy grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins. It integrates a popular payment system. It even supports video courses on any platform. It has a rich interaction with built-in comments, reviews, and questions. Create awesome courses. It would be easy for you to set up, and your students will love the user-friendly experience. Access dozens of ready-made templates for everything. Customize your course themes to make it feel unique with your branding. Students can resume course playback where they left it. So try CourseFunnels now. Go to the URL getcoursefunnels.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.